In this video, we will make our player move to the left and right. Open obj_player, press Add Event. Drag code block to the Action tab. Here we will make a variable called player_spd equals 6. Set the variable to equal 6. We will use this variable in our movement code. Close the create event. And press add event. And press keyboard left. Drag code block to the Action tab. In there write speed equal minus player_spd. This will make the player move to the left, because the variable is set to 6. Close the code block and right-click on the left event, and click on duplicate event. Press keyboard right. Open the code block and delete minus sign, because we want to move to the right. Let's test the movement. We are also moving when we are not pressing the left or right key. We don't want that. We only want to move when we are pressing a key. And we want to let the player comes out on the other side if we leave the screen. So we need to warp the player around the screen. To fix the move issue, press add event. Keyboard. No key. Drag a code block to the Action tab. And write speed equals 0. This will set the speed to 0, if the player is not pressing a key. Let's test it. And it's working. We are only moving when we are pressing a key. Next issue is we want the player to come out on the other side if we leave the screen. To do this, press add event, other, outside room, and go to main tab and press warp around screen. In this window set direction to horizontal. Vertical is on the y-axis. Horizontal is on the x-axis. Let's try it. And it's working. Now we have set the player movement. I think the player is moving too slow. Let's change the SPD variable.